From the behaviors that are in the show, and even the music that was composed in the show, it all came from the animal itself.
That takes you back to the day where you first imagined wanting to get into the water with the killer whale. That's exactly the reason why we do this.
The show is titled Believe. It is a magnificent display of the incredible bond between man and killer whale.
And we understand that we are, in essence, ambassadors for humankind interacting with this species of animal.
At the core of Seaworld's training philosophy is positive reinforcement. More than anything, the trainers want the animals to have fun. This is what brings magic to the training sessions as well as to every performance. Two worlds, two different species, trying to bridge the gap between them. And how do you bridge that gap? You believe.